Hello traders and welcome to a new XauUsd and XAGUSD analysis. So it has been a very interesting week last week with great volatility at the end of the week. So looking at the price action from last week, let's see if we can predict what can happen next week. We'll start with silver because silver is pretty hot these days. So, as we all know, silver on Thursday made a new all-time high that everyone expected from silver. And after this all-time high, so here, after this all-time high from above 51, we have a strong drop, exactly like in the case of gold. However, in the case of silver, we can see that this correction stopped in this old level of resistance. We have break here, it confirmed this level as support, went up, the drop, and stopped exactly in this level. And this level is confluent with the support of the channel. So, unlike gold that broke down the channel, silver remained in this ascending channel. And as we can see, the reversal from Friday in the case of silver is pretty strong. So after it touched this level of support, we have a new rise that challenges again the all-time high. After this top here, the price started to correct and consolidate and formed during Friday's session, formed a new support around here, so under 50, and you know, it's staying in this zone, the zone of the median of the channel. So when something is above the median of the channel, we consider it strongly bullish. Also, as we can see, although not perfect, this is a pennant, a triangle that usually suggests continuation. And if we look at the overall price action in the case of silver, silver is really strong these days. So in my opinion, if we break above this level, so above break and stay above this level, above 50-50, 50-70 or so, we can expect upside acceleration. And in the case of silver, considering it's very strong and when silver is moving, it's really moving, we can expect a test of 55, so around 10% rise from the level we are now. Obviously, if silver is not continuing to the upside and it's going down and break this level of support, we can expect a correction in the case of silver, and we have here a level of support and here a level of support. But my preferred scenario and my bias in the case of silver is bullish. Now let's look at gold. So gold, as we can see, it broke under the channel. Last week I was expecting a correction from gold, and as we can see, the first sign was this break of the channel. The price went back up, retested the all-time high here and the broken level of support of the channel, and we have this drop. So gold dropped in this level of support that I mentioned, like it could be the first target for bears, and started to reverse to the upside. On Friday I sold gold, as I said in my analysis, around 40.20 is the sell zone. I sold. Luckily, I closed my position on Friday evening because I was very tired and I wanted to go out. Made 350 pips, and I said luckily because, as we can see, the close of the day was bullish and gold came back to this level that was my level of my sell zone. So in the case of gold, also my bias became bullish after Friday's close, and if we break above this high from Friday, we can expect upside continuation, and if we break this level, I'm not expecting it to stop here, so in the all-time high, and I'm expecting to make a new all-time high that can so gold can even reach 4100. On the other hand, if the price don't manage to break above Friday's high, or we have a break and reversal followed by a new drop under 4K, we can expect, so let's say this is a trend line, you understand what I'm saying. So this became confluence support. So if we have a false breakup above Friday's high and reversal under 4K, we can expect a new leg down, and this time I expect it to go here on the confluence support given by the old all-time high here, so before this channel, and the trend line, let me show you, that started here in mid-September. So we can, as I said, if we are going back under 4K, we can continue to the downside, break this level that offered support on Friday, and drop even here at 3900. That was my initial target. But as I say, also in the case of gold, considering Friday's close, and as we can see, I closed at 39.81, but we can see that it formed a new support, a higher low. So we have this support, the clear support, touched this zone like 3 times, went up, dropped, and formed a new support around 39.75. So higher low and a new support. So I'm expecting upside continuation, as I said, 4100 could be touched next week. So this is for my weekend analysis, and we'll see how the market is opening. The exchange session was bullish so far in the past 2 weeks or so. As you saw, every Asian session was bullish. So let's see how the market opens, and I will make written analysis tomorrow after the open. Have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.